Xiaomi Black Shark 3's measures 168.7 x 77.3 x 10.4 mm. The phone comes with a 6.70-inch AMOLED Plus capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels with an aspect ratio of 20:9 and 395 ppi pixel density, always on display 120Hz refresh rate, 500 nits tip brightness advertised and HDR10+. Xiaomi Black Shark 3's is powered by an octa-core processor that features 2.84 GHz Creo 585 and 2.42 GHz Creo 585 and 1.80 GHz Creo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 7nm Plus chipset, which is coupled with Adreno 650 GPU. Xiaomi Black Shark 3's runs on Android 10. The comes in two variants, one with 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM and another with 256GB internal storage and 12GB RAM. This device sports a triple camera setup. The rear camera of the device packs a 64-megapixel main sensor, 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens and 5-megapixel depth sensor. The rear camera features LED flash, panorama and HDR. The company claims that rear camera is capable of recording 4K video. It sports a 20-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with an HDR feature. It is available in sky cloud black and crystal blue colors. It is powered by a non-removable LiPo 4729 mAh battery with 65W fast charging support, 100% in 38 minutes advertised, and magnetic charging 18W. Connectivity options on Xiaomi Black Shark 3's include Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00 and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include fingerprint under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass.